posting, no guessing what to say. That tool exists right now, and in the next few minutes I'm going to show you the laziest way I have ever found to put an affiliate campaign on autopilot. This is for you if you want to make money online, but you do not want to become a copywriter, a designer, or someone who posts links all day. Here is why most people never make a dime with affiliate marketing. It is not the offers, it is everything you have to do before the money shows up. You have to find the angle, write the posts, the emails, the follow-ups, build a bridge page, write video scripts, schedule it all, then track it. By the time you finish, you are exhausted, so you post one link, get a couple clicks, and quit. And here's the part nobody tells you. The people winning are not working harder than you. They just have the campaign built for them. That's the only difference. So I asked one question. What if all of that work could come from one single thing, one affiliate URL? Because everything you need to promote an offer is already sitting inside that sales page. The promise, the audience, the pain points, the angle. The problem was never finding it. The problem was the hours it took to turn it into a campaign. So we built something to do that part for you. Introducing URL Profit AI, the first triple AI system that turns any affiliate link into a 30-day profit campaign at the press of a button. You paste a link, 3 AI engines analyze the offer, a complete campaign comes out the other side. Posts, emails, hooks, bridge pages, video scripts, a full 30-day calendar, all from one dashboard. And it's just 3 steps. Step 1, paste your URL and click Create. That's your whole job. 10 seconds. Step 2, in about 60 seconds, the AI builds the entire campaign for you. Step 3, schedule it, then track your clicks from one clean dashboard. Watch it happen live. I paste a link, I click once, and out comes the buyer angle, the social posts, the email swipes, the short video scripts, the bridge page, and a 30-day calendar. I did not write a single word of that. That's the difference between watching a tool work and doing the work yourself. So what does that mean for you? It means you never stare at a blank screen again. It means you never pay a copywriter or a designer for a campaign again. It means one link becomes content for 7 platforms, and it means your campaign keeps running even while you sleep. You are not just saving time, you are removing the exact step that makes people quit before they ever earn a dollar. People are already using it. Jason pasted one link and finally started promoting instead of overthinking. Sophia loved seeing which posts actually worked. To be straight with you, results like those are not typical, and nobody can promise you any income. What URL Profit AI does is remove the work and the guesswork, so you have a real campaign behind your link instead of a random post and a prayer. When you activate URL Profit AI today, you get the full system: the campaign builder, the offer analyzer, the angle finder, the post and email and video generators, the bridge page builder, the 30-day calendar, the click tracker, 100+ campaign ideas, and a commercial license to build campaigns for clients. The real value of everything here is over $7,000. A system like this could sell for $197 a month, but during this launch, you do not pay monthly. You get all of it one time for just $14.95. No subscription, no catch. And if you are one of the first 100 to act, you also get the unlimited reseller license, so you can sell the system and keep 100% of the profit. That bonus is only for the first 100 buyers. Once they're gone, they're gone. You are fully protected. Try it for 30 days. If it's not for you, we refund every cent. So you have 2 choices. Keep doing it the hard way, writing and posting and hoping something clicks, or do it the easy way. Paste one link, let the AI build the campaign, and move on with your day. If you want the easy way, click the button below right now. Activate URL Profit AI for $14.95. Grab your reseller bonus before the spots are gone, and let the AI do the work you've been doing by hand. Paste the link, click the button, and watch your next campaign build itself. I'll see you on the inside.